Nutrichef Convection Countertop Toaster Oven, Healthy Kitchen Glass Air Fryer Roaster Oven. However, I can provide you with some general information about convection toaster ovens and their features, which might be relevant to the model you mentioned. A convection toaster oven with an air fryer and roaster functionality typically offers a combination of features that allow you to cook food using convection heat, which is circulated by a fan, similar to a traditional convection oven. The addition of air frying and roasting functions can provide healthier cooking options compared to deep frying, as it requires less oil while still achieving a crispy texture. Some common features you might find in such a toaster oven include convection cooking. The convection feature uses a fan to circulate hot air within the oven, resulting in even cooking and browning of food. Air frying. An air fryer function allows you to cook foods with a crispy exterior using significantly less oil than traditional frying methods. Roasting. The roasting function is ideal for cooking meats, poultry, and vegetables at higher temperatures, often with adjustable settings for different types of dishes.